How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. You've seen the thumbnail, so you know today we are going to be talking about the CORSAIR HS35. Now, this is the first time we're looking into anything from CORSAIR. You really want to stay tuned for this one. It's going to be interesting. Like we do always, want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to this channel, everyone who's liked the videos, shared them across their social media platforms, everyone who's left a comment in the comment section. I want to say thank you. I want to say welcome also to people who just joined us over the week. I appreciate you guys. I only ask for one thing, that you guys get on code, and getting on code means liking the videos, sharing them across your social media platforms, and leaving a comment in the comment section. And we're still doing request videos, so if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. So, about today's subject, let's get into it. This is another surprise from a brand not known for making any device on the budget side, and so, as always, my skepticism kicked into full gear. I'm happy to say I am pleased that CORSAIR actually created this for gamers on a budget. This device comes in black, blue, green, and red. Let's talk more about it. The headband is made of plastic as always. It doesn't feel like high-grade plastic, but it's pretty decent. Not as lightweight like the JBL Quantum 100. With the CORSAIR name etched on the top of the headband, under it is a padding for your overhead comfort. Not memory foam, but not too hard either. It's wrapped with a fabric covering. Good thing about the fabric wrapping is that it breathes. Also not irritating if you sweat. The headband adjustment has a metal support to help keep things sturdy. The overall design of this headset is simple and bland, so no RGB lights on the ear cup or anywhere on it. The ear cup is quite large enough to cover your ears, and it doesn't clamp so hard around your head. And despite the size of your head, the ear cups always line up with the side of your head thanks to the swivel design of the headband adjustment. The ear cups are cushioned and wrapped with mesh fabric. The sound from the speakers are balanced, full-bodied, really decent for first-person shooter gaming. The mic is a detachable unidirectional 3.5mm jack boom. What's surprising to me is how good the mic is considering it's a budget headset. Makes me see the reason for the Discord certification. It did a good job of keeping out the background noise. And oh, before I forget, I am talking to you right now on the mic. Let me know what you think in the comment section. It's got a long cable that ends at a single 3.5mm jack. It also came with a Y audio adapter cable for your devices with a separate mic and audio output. This gives versatility to the headset. You can use it on both console or PC gaming. In summary, the Corsair HS35 is a very decent budget headset. Lightweight, not cluttered, excellent noise cancelling mic, and great sound. If I have to change anything on it, it will be the build quality. But ultimately, it's not enough to affect the performance. And with that, I give this headset the TOB stamp of approval. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across your social media platforms, leave a comment in the comment section. If you're watching this for the first time and you're not subscribed yet, you know the right thing to do. Subscribe. We're still doing request videos, so if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.